Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce easy. Making a delicious sauce doesn't have to be complicated. We'll cover simple steps to create flavorful sauces for any meal. First, gather your ingredients and tools. Think about your base liquid, like a cup of broth, and your aromatics, perhaps 2 cloves of garlic. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Building a strong flavor foundation is crucial for any great sauce. Start by gently sautéing your aromatics, like a diced onion, for a few minutes until they're soft and fragrant. Then, deglaze the pan with a splash of liquid, scraping up all those delicious brown bits. Incorporate your herbs and spices early on, allowing their flavors to bloom. Remember to taste often. It's the best way to ensure your sauce is perfectly seasoned and balanced. Achieving the right consistency is key to a great sauce, and there are several easy ways to thicken it. A classic roux, made with equal parts fat and flour cooked for about 2 minutes, provides a smooth base. For a gluten-free option, a cornstarch slurry, using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water, works wonders. You can also simply reduce the sauce by simmering it, or whisk in a tablespoon of butter for a rich finish. The final steps elevate your sauce from good to exceptional. For a silky smooth texture, you might want to strain your sauce through a fine mesh sieve. Just before serving, stir in some fresh herbs, like 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, or a small pat of butter for extra richness and shine. Always taste one last time and adjust the seasoning, perhaps adding a squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. Serve your incredible sauce immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.